morning, people. So today I'm going to do some singing. I've got some songs planned, a bit all over the place, but it's stuff I've been listening to in the week, from old albums and stuff I've dragged out and put in the cart. And I came across this I'm Like a Bird, Nelly Furtado song. I really like Nelly Furtado, so I'm going to do I'm Like a Bird. You're beautiful, that's for sure. Never ever fade. You're lovely, but it's not for sure that I won't ever change. Though my love is rare, though my love is true, fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. Baby, all I need for you to know is I'll only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where. Your faith in me brings me to tears. And after all these years, and it pains me so much to tell that you don't know me that well. Though my love is rare, though my love is true, I'm like a bird, I'll only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. And baby, all I need for you to know is I'll only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, where my home is. Baby, all I need for you to know, it's just that every time you try, you tell me that you love me. Each and every single day, I know I'm gonna give you. Though my love is rare, though my love is true, I'm just scared, and that we'll fall. I'm like a bird, fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. Baby, all I need for you to know is I'll only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. Baby, all I need for you to know, I'll only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. Like a bird, I'll only fly away. I don't know where my soul is, I don't know where my home is. Baby, all I need for you to know, I'm like a bird, I'm like a bird. I'm gonna stop there because I'm bored.